Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. This year as per the 2020 Kumbh Rashifal will be a unique one. It will be unique because most of the things you will indulge in will be a success. This is the year that you will bond with the people you consider as loved ones. The stars are aligned in the right manner to bless you all the way. Also, you have to be ready for the change that will come into your life. People will envy you for your success and prosperity. But, you will urge them to work hard to reach the level you are at. Also, your work hard and determination over the years will pay off in 2020. You will be proud of yourself, but at the same time ensure that you stick on the right track towards self-development. Therefore, put your family first in everything that you do and all will go well. 2020 career predictions. Kumbh Rashi natives have luck following them everywhere they go in 2020. Your career will boom in the year 2020. People will be proud of your hard work and determination. The previous years have been tough on you, but this year will have nothing on you. But, you have built yourself to the point that nothing can and will bring you down. And, the support of your loved ones will enable you to reach great heights in your career and business in 2020. Thus, the people you work with will push you to reach even higher in the ambitions you have for your career. You will be promoted to a higher position in the workplace due to your integrity and diligence. Also, your salary will also increase with the position you are promoted to. Kumbh Rashifal 2020 forecasts for health. According to the 2020 Bhavishya Rasi predictions, your health will be superb this year. This is the year that you will not even complain of a headache. You do not like neglecting yourself, hence the excellent health that you enjoy. You will be satisfied with the way your health in that you will want your family to enjoy the same. Your children, however, will suffer from minor illnesses now and then. Thus, it is up to you to ensure that they get great medical care and attention. Health is essential for one to progress. Hence, the full attention that you give it during the 2020 Mercury retrograde. 2020 Kumbh Rasi Finance Horoscope. 2020 will be a successful financial year for Kumbh Rasi natives. The excellent condition of your health will allow you to look for money in other places other than relying on your salary. You are good at venturing into other business opportunities, and that is how you will make extra money. This year all the people who owe you will pay up, hence adding to your finances. But, it is not a time to limit yourself, stretch yourself until you get that which you desire in life as a whole. Family and love. 2020 Kumbh Rashifal. Family is an essential aspect of your life this year. You have been through a lot with your family. They are the backbone to your success. This year you will spend much time with your family. The children will be happy to see you all the time. Also, they will enjoy playing with you during your free time since you accommodate them. Moreover, the elders in your family will be so happy with your progress and hard work that they will bless you abundantly. As per the astrology predictions for 2020, your spouse will be glad of the person that you have become. Love will reign in your house for the better part of this year. Thus, happiness and joy will be the order of the day. There may be some news of pregnancies. Kumbh Rashi 2020 travel forecast. According to the Rashifal 2020, this year you will travel a lot. Your happy mood will enable you to visit different places with your family. In the middle of the year, you might also create time to engage in road trips with your friends and workmates. But, travels which are business related will be limited to only those that are most important. Conclusion. Based on the Kumbh Rashifal 2020, this year will be full of delight for you and your loved ones, hence its unique nature. Also, love, peace, harmony, and happiness will be all that you will experience this year.